Now students, what is the name of this device? It is an electric bulb. What is the use of this electric bulb? To get light. What kind of energy transfer is taking place? It converts electrical energy to light energy. So, the main energy is the bulb requires electricity. Therefore, it is electrical energy. When it glows, it gives out light energy. Therefore, energy conversion is electrical energy to light energy. Now, what is the name of this device? Its name is induction cooker. Correct? You might have seen this in the kitchen. What is the use? To get heat. What is the energy change? To convert electrical energy to heat energy. Now, what is the name of this device? It is storage battery. Okay, here on the battery it is written rechargeable battery. Okay, so what is the use of this battery? To store current. Correct? When there is no electricity, we can recharge our mobile. Correct? We use the battery bank, isn't it? What is the use of battery bank? When there is no current, we can charge our mobile using that battery. Now, what is the energy change there? So, input is electrical energy and output is it stores chemical energy. Correct? It converts electrical energy to chemical energy. Okay? This is applicable for storage battery. There is non-storage battery also, which is just used once and we can throw it. Correct? What is the energy conversion there? Chemical energy that is converted into electrical energy. Okay, so there are two types of batteries. One battery you can use it as a storage battery. The second battery is once it is used you cannot reuse that. Okay, for example, the battery that is used in clocks. Okay, what is the name of this device? It is an electric stove. What is the use of this electric stove? To get heat energy. Correct? Now you can tell me what is the energy change? What is the energy change? It converts electrical energy to heat energy. Clear? What is the name of this device? It is an electric fan. Correct? What is the use of this electric fan? To get breeze. Correct? Now, what is the energy change that is taking place? It is electrical energy to mechanical energy. Why do you say it is mechanical energy? Because the wings, correct? That is moving. Any energy that is making movement is called mechanical energy. Okay? So, here the energy conversion is electrical energy to mechanical energy. What is the name of this device? It is a microwave oven. What is the use of this device? To get heat. What type of energy change is taking place? It converts electrical energy to heat energy. Correct? What is the name of this device? It is an inverter. Nowadays, we all are using this inverter at home, isn't it? Now, this inverter is in charging mode. Okay, this is charging. Now during charging, what is the energy conversion that is taking place? Okay, that is electrical energy to chemical energy. What is the use of inverter? It converts AC to DC. Okay, what is the use of inverter? It converts AC. What is the full form of AC? Alternating current. It converts alternating current to direct current. Okay, so our domestic appliances, it uses alternating current. It works with the alternating current. So inverter converts alternating current to direct current. Okay, this direct current is used, that is stored in the inverter. Okay, so what is the energy change that is taking place? Inverter is taking in electrical energy and it stores DC, that is direct current, in the form of chemical energy. Now again, this is inverter. Now this inverter is discharging, which means when the current is gone, the inverter is working now. It is discharging. Okay, all our electrical appliances are making use of this inverter. So what is the use of this inverter now? It converts DC to AC. It converts direct current to alternating current. What is the energy change? It converts chemical energy to electrical energy. What is the name of this device? It is a mixer grinder. What is the use of this device? We use it for grinding. What is the energy change taking place here? It converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Why it is mechanical energy? Because the mixer, its inner part is moving, correct? Therefore, it converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Movement is related to mechanical. Clear?